Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add items to your collection in Roblox. First of all, to add an item to your collection, you need to open the Roblox website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you can easily access your inventory and start adding items to your collection. Next, go to the item you want to add, whether it's a clothing item, accessory, or any other item available. Just click on it to open its detail page. There will be a three dot line under the cart icon. Click on it and you'll see an option to add to profile. After clicking add to profile, the item will be added to your profile. Once the item is added to the collection, it's that easy. You can go to your profile and view your collections to see all the items you have added. And that's it. Now you know how to add items to a collection in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.